Okay, today take a look at the Victoper bicycle light. Okay, so we got a USB-A to USB-C cable. We get our tail light. This is the style, it's just got a little strap, so you just clip that on, and that will hold on to your bicycle. I like these because they are not going to be scratching up the frame of the bike, so these are nice. We got our charging port in the bottom, and it's got a rubber seal on it, so you don't have to worry about water getting in. And that is our, looks like a micro USB port. So also in here is a USB-A to micro USB cord. Use that to charge it, and then on the other side is the power button. All right, cool. Wow, that is quite fancy. So I think this is actually a good thing. Some people don't like distracting lights like this, but I like them because the main thing on a bicycle, especially when you're riding at night, you want to make sure that people actually see you. When you have something like this on the back of your bike, people are going to see you. That's cool. Nice. All right, like that. And then here is the front light. So it's got our USB charging port on the bottom, and that is USB-A or USB-C. That's kind of cool. And I do like that they got the mounting clip back far enough that we can actually start charging this thing without pulling it off the clip. So we can keep this on the bike and charge it at the same time. All right, that's cool. Got some good looking LEDs on the front, and there is 8 of them, 2 rows of 4. If I turn this on, then we get our light output, and that is quite a bit of light. But it also gives us this timer. So this is actually going to tell us how long we can run this flashlight on this current mode. That is awesome. That's something I never see on a light like this. This is going to help me to determine how long I can actually stay out on that bicycle. That's really cool. So I'll hit it again. So this is a medium, which is still pretty bright. We got 14 hours and 2 minutes. And then when on the low, we got 31 hours. And then for flashing, we got 69 hours. So that's pretty darn awesome. And this is our mount. So you can see the flashlight will clip on here. It's got a little release right here. And then this is how it attaches to the handlebar. So it's actually using this as the threading for that plastic nut. So you just pull that off and wrap that around the handlebar, drop it back in, and put that nut on. And then the more we tighten this nut, the tighter that's going to get. That's a really cool design. I like that quite a bit, actually. So this little notch on the clip is going to line up with this slot on the flashlight. There we go. Yeah, that's in there nice. Cool. That is a solid flashlight. I like that. I think the number one thing about this is just that timer that's on here. The fact that it will actually tell you how long you have. I've never seen that on a bicycle flashlight, so that is really cool. So overall, that is an awesome bike light.